Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, actually today I have come to here because of my English making video. Actually I practicing video. I come to here and you can see my behind side many paddy fields, rice seedlings, seedlings. So actually I stand here at Brahmaputra river. Actually my behind side already sun almost set. You can see very amazing at this moment. Sun is almost set. So my another side chili field and another crops and mustard and many type of crops in our local area. You can see in our behind side on hill and many village and one or two home. So I think very amazing place at this moment. So actually I am a not good speaker, but I am practicing English video and making a English video daily, minimum 1.5 hour practicing making and conversation English video. And I think one day I will be able to fluent speaker. That time I am good and quality English video making. That time actually I quality full video and my page uploaded in our page. So guys, my page comment and my page follow this guys. So that's all about. Thank you. Bye bye.